Landice M1 Folding Treadmill Assembly Video. In this video, we will show you how to set up your M1 Folding Treadmill. Before you begin setting up your treadmill, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Please note that there are some steps in the assembly process that might require two people to help with the assembly. Please use a second person when doing assembly involving these steps. Unpacking your new treadmill. The carton will include the following items. For this step, you will require the following parts. It is highly recommended that someone assist you with this step. Two people may be needed for this step. Use caution when moving and lifting treadmill during unpacking and assembly. Begin the assembly by placing the treadmill carton on a flat, level surface. Use care when handling and transporting the carton. Never open the box when it's on its side. Ensure the carton top cover is facing upward. Next, using a box cutter, carefully cut the straps around the carton. Please use caution when cutting the straps, as the straps may be under tension. Remove the molded foam and plastic sheeting. You might need to cut the plastic sheeting using the box cutter. Put the molded foam and plastic sheeting back into the carton and store packaging materials in a dry location. It is recommended that you save the packing materials for the duration of the warranty period. Using two people, remove the treadmill from the carton and place the treadmill on a flat surface. Do not place it on a soft mat or thick carpeting. Remove all of the molded foam and plastic sheeting at this time. Make sure there is enough clearance to assemble and operate your machine. Ensure the clearance around the treadmill is a minimum of 6.5 feet behind the treadmill and 1.6 feet on each side and in front. Unpacking is now complete. Step 1. Unfolding and setting up the treadmill. The following levers will be used in this step. The treadmill is shipped folded. Before using, the treadmill must be fully unfolded and all the mechanisms locked into place. Remove the plastic cover from the display console at this point, and do not attempt to operate the treadmill while the treadmill is folded. To prevent damage, release all locking mechanisms before lifting the handrail and console assembly. Ensure the handrail and console area is free of obstructions before unfolding handrails. To unlock the treadmill uprights, you will have to unlock the B1 and B2 levers. Begin by rotating the B1 and B2 levers at the bottom of left and right column outward as far as possible, as shown. Unlock both levers and be careful not to pinch your hands while unfolding the treadmill. There are warning labels at the pinch points at the top of the left and right columns. After unlocking B1 and B2 levers, you will now be able to unfold the treadmill uprights. Next, locate the end of the handrails B5 and B6. Grasp the left and right ends of the handrails B5 and B6 and lift the handrails upward to unfold the treadmill upright. Proceed by locating the previously unlocked B1 and B2 levers. Return the B1 and B2 levers back to the down position to lock and secure the uprights in place after unfolding the treadmill. Next, locate the B3 and B4 levers located at the top of the left and right columns. Unlocking the B3 and B4 levers will allow you to rotate and position the display console. Carefully rotate both levers outward to the limit position, as shown. Grasp both ends of the left and right handrails B5 and B6 and tilt the handrails downward until they are level. Finally, return the B3 and B4 levers to the down position to lock the handrails into position. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Setting up the display console and power cord. Grasp both sides of the display console B7 and tilt the console up. The display console can be adjusted up to 90 degrees. Adjust the console to the desired angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Next, plug one end of the supplied power cord into the E1 power socket located at the bottom front of the treadmill. Insert the power cord all the way and plug in the other end of the power cord into a grounded 115-volt AC 60 Hz outlet. After verifying that the power cord is properly plugged in, turn on the power switch. Your treadmill is now ready for use. The M1 folding treadmill should be checked periodically to ensure that the components are maintained in the correct position and state of repair, and that all connectors are tight. Before using the machine, verify that all levers are properly locked in place. Congratulations! You have now completed the setup of the M1 folding treadmill. Enjoy your new treadmill. Brought to you by Landice.